Hey, what's up everyone, this is Invest for More and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a Casper Labs signer account, how you can download the files, and how to stake Casper coins. If you didn't know, Casper signer account, it's a their wallet and you can trust them 100% because it's their wallet. If you trust the Casper project, you have to trust Casper Labs signer. Okay, so we have to go to, let me close this this page. We have to go to CSPR.live. as you can see over here, CSPR.live. make sure is that the original website. Okay, you have to do the signer log out. I already have an account, but I'm gonna show you from the beginning what we have to do. Okay, you have to download the signer. As you can see over here, I already have my my Casper Labs signer into my Brave browser. You can use Brave, you can use Google Chrome browser. I don't think I'm not sure if it's working for Mozilla or other browsers, but for sure for Chrome it's working, for Brave it's working. So Casper Labs signer, it's their original wallet. You can trust this. It has 12 reviews and it has over 4,000 users. Okay, so you have to download this into your browser, and then you have to create an account. Let me see. You have to click, as you can see here, the web wallet will be right there in your corner. If it's not there, you have to click in the apps right here and pin. You can find it by pin this, and you're gonna see here. Now we have to reset the vault. Reset. Now I'm gonna create an account, okay, with you. Let me set up a password. Okay. As you can see here, we have created an account. Not yet, but we set up the password. Now we have to set up a name. The name, let's say whale CSPR. Well, CSPR must do it algorithm. It has to be ED25519. It's a must. Okay, choose this. Do not choose the second option, choose the first option. Okay, then create, and now we have one account key. Next step is to download the files. Key management, you have to go to key management, and then here, as you can see over here, we have download. You can download those files. It's gonna be 3 files. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and save them. These keys, you have to keep them somewhere safe on your USB stick, and only you have to have the access to it. Okay, now what's the next step? You have to sign in. Okay, sign in with Casper. Connect request. Okay, connect, and now we are here. Okay, here's your public address, public key. Here is the address where you can send the coins from exchanges to this wallet. Okay, so here is the key to public address. You can copy this and use it to send the coins to this address. Okay, as you can see here, we have 0 coins. Now I'm gonna go through the steps how you can stake your Casper coins. Okay, I'm gonna sign in again. Okay, I have to put my password. Okay, I accessed my account while Casper, as you can see over here. Now I'm gonna go to delegate Casper. You have to choose the validator ending in 0822 A. Okay, this is the best validator I use for my Casper accounts, my Casper coins. So this is the recommended validator. I'm gonna post their Telegram link in the description. You have 100% support on their Telegram chat. And I'm gonna move to my real account and show you how you can stake Casper in real time. Now I'm in my real account. Here is my public address. You guys can send some Casper coins over here if you want to support my channel, if you want to support me to continue giving you value informations. Okay, you have to go to wallet, delegate. Now I'm gonna, as I told you, 08228 is the validator I use. I have to, let me stake like 90 Casper. Okay, the service fee, as you can see over here, is 2.5 Casper. Next, 90 Casper, $10. This transaction fee are 2 Caspers. Make sure you're gonna keep some for delegate fees and also undelegate fee. So do not oh, it's locked. My extension is locked. Do not delegate all of your coins. You cannot delegate all of your coins. Okay, let me put my password again. Now I'm gonna put again 0822A. Okay, 90 Casper coins I want to delegate to there. This validator is the best validator I use, is 1% fee. Okay, next, sign with Casper signer. Okay, here's the Casper sign. I have to sign the transaction. Okay, loading, successfully sent. And what's next? Let's see what's next. Deploy hash, include. Okay, mega. Okay, go back to home. Now that's it, guys. I'm gonna wait to see to show you the transaction. By the way, guys, the APY, it's about 12%. If you guys know the much the network stake, the lower stake reward will be in the market. Okay, so right now it's about 12%. It can be higher in few months, it can be lower in few months, but right now it's about 12. And the delegator I use, as you can see over here, the first delegator, it has 10% commission rate. The next one, it has 8% commission rate. Okay, the first, or wherever, the first 40 delegators, they have a lot. The first validators, they have a lot of fees, 10% fees. Okay, but the validator I use, it's this one. Let me show you where it is and how much is his fee. Okay, here is the address ending in 0822A. As you can see over here, the delegation fee is the commission rate, it's 1%. So from your rewards, they're gonna keep 1%, which is way lower than the other validators. And you have their support, they have their Telegram chat, and I'm gonna post their Telegram chat in the description. As you can see over here, I staked 90 Casper coins, and I have in total 80,300 Casper coins staked. Okay, as you can see over here, I started with a reward of 1.5. I had lower balance over here, delegated balance. I have way lower, like 63,000, and right now I'm today I earn about 1.6 Casper, and today I staked 2,000 more, 17,000 more Casper, and I'm earning about 2 Casper every 2 hours. As you can see over here, they are rewarding every 2 hours. Okay, every 2 hours they are rewarding the stakers. So thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to, if you want to, send me some Casper coins if I helped you. Also do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's gonna help me a lot to give you value information. Also here I've made a video why Casper Labs is so undervalued. Please check it out. Here I made a video what is Casper about. Okay, and here I show you where is the best, what's the best time to buy Casper, more Casper. But at this moment Casper Labs it's very undervalued, and you can buy it at this price easily and 10x your money. Okay, in my opinion. Again guys, do not forget to join the channels. I'm gonna post in the description my affiliate where you can buy Casper Labs, aschantex.com, my affiliate link. You can use that. Also I'm gonna post 2 Telegram groups. One is for price prediction chat on Telegram, and the other one is for validator I use for data support. And please guys join, and if you have any questions, let me know. Smash the like button, share the video with your friends, and also comment below if you have any questions. Okay, see you guys in the chats, and see you guys with another video. Bye bye.